This is Lisa Cohn at Microgrid 2019. I'm here with Michael Fischette, CEO of Concord Engineering.
Hi, good to be here.
Tell me a little bit about your company and what it does for people.
Sure. So Concord Engineering is an engineering and construction firm. We started the firm in 1989, and we specialize in on-site generation, transmission and distribution, and energy efficiency technologies. We also do a supply side service where we help customers on the supply side with their electric and gas contracts.
And is there something that you want to focus on or showcase today?
Yeah, I mean, we have a very broad range of services in the microgrid space and a great portfolio of projects for 30 years. So, whether it's utility interconnection standards, energy policy, or just straight out design and construction, we offer this service to just about anybody. So we like to think of ourselves as a virtual microgrid provider, where we're not owning any assets, but we're providing services in some way to owners, to utilities, and to private developers.
Can you give me an example?
Yeah, so we just finished a project for Villanova University, and it's a full-out third-party owned microgrid, and Concord provided all the development, engineering, and construction for the project, and it's operating today.
Great. What do you think needs to be done to move the microgrid market along?
Well, one of the big things that I'm passionate about, because I see this on the front lines, is code changes. And we break it down to a four-headed dragon, if you want to call it that, and each head of the dragon needs to be addressed individually. So the federal sector, for example, which has taken a really great initiative in terms of defining microgrid and resiliency, and those codes and standards can lead, to the rest of the non-federal sector. Healthcare is one of the big code industries that we're really focused on changing right now. They do not currently address microgrid. They only look at diesel-fired emergency generation. So those code changes, they're coming. And then the third, we think, is community microgrids in the municipalities and how they can structure debt and how they can structure ownership and work with utilities. The fourth is really up to the ISOs in this country to really reach out to the private sector and make their programs better known, because there is great incentive, particularly in the Northeast, that really can pay for resiliency in a very short time. And it's really up to the ISOs to really reach out.
What gets you excited about microgrids?
This place is crackling with excitement. I have to tell you, 40 years ago I started in this business, and I was converting oil-fired power plants back to coal. And that was to, keep us from being dependent on foreign oil. We fast forward to today, and it's climate change and reliability that are really just changing the complete landscape. So I think everybody here sees that, and they're way ahead of the curve, and I just think this is just going to be a very exciting time for the next few decades.
Great. Well, thanks a lot.
Thank you.